This is a capture race problem for black. Black only has 3 liberties left, while white has 5. But black also occupies the corner, so black can potentially find extra liberties by standing down here. And white's only move is this one, because if white tries to make a real eye here, black can throw in here and create a connecting die with these stones. So that is why white must play at number 2, so black cannot come in to this 1-1 point. And now what black needs to do is to make sure that white does not have a real eye here. So black will have to throw in here. If white captures, then black destroys this real eye for white. Now white cannot come in from here, and it will take white 3 moves to connect all these throw-in points before white can come into the 1-1 point. So it'd be something like this. 6, 8, and 10 all become black's liberties in this sense, and black will be 1 liberty faster than white, like this. So this is the correct variation for this problem. Of course, white can try other things, and all black needs to do is to make sure that white does not have a real eye. This will be similar, and if white tries to come in from C19, this will not work because black just has enough moves to prevent white from coming in here. So that is how this problem is designed. Lastly, let's take a look at 2 of the wrong moves. Standing down here will be wrong because white can play here. And now black is paralyzed. Black cannot really play anything. This will just die, and these throw-ins will be useless. So number 1 will fail. If black plays here, this is unnecessary. This will be a ko. If white plays here, then this ko is not great for white, although white gets to capture first. White's best response is to play here at the 1-1 point. If black occupies liberties from the outside, then black will be short, like this. Black's strongest move is to play here, and white will capture this ko first. And this will become an approach ko for black, meaning that black still needs to occupy 1 more liberty on the outside. So this is a bad ko for black. Not recommended. So that is why standing down here is the correct first move. It makes use of all these throw-in points, which are potential weaknesses in white's shape, and white will have to connect all of these points on the outside before it can come in to the 1-1 point. And that is how black prevails in this pattern. Thank you for watching.